In this video, I'm going to discuss about things to note when uploading data by batch. When uploading data by batch, you might frequently have difficulty uploading data due to errors from a little bit of issues. But after successfully uploading data a few times, you will soon get used to the upload and benefit from its convenience. So here we're going to look over a few things to keep in mind when batch uploading data. So first of all, you should not modify any column or field of the Excel template. Occasionally, you would want to delete some fields since you're not going to use them. However, you need to keep the template as it is. If you delete a column in the Excel spreadsheet, it'll cause an error, since the template will not match the data upload template. So make sure not to modify the downloaded Excel template and use it as it is. Secondly, in the Excel sheets, if you hover over each field title, you will see a direction for the field. These memo boxes will show directions for how to enter each field. And if you look here, if you hover over item category field, you will see a direction for the field. And according to the direction, you will need to enter a number that corresponds to each category. For instance, if you want to register a raw material item, you need to enter 0. And for a finished good, enter 1. And if you enter a character other than these numbers, it'll cause an error. Also, you can verify each field's character limit and see how many characters can be entered in each field. And you can keep the entry within the character limit and avoid errors. Use the direction boxes like this before working on your data in the Excel spreadsheet. And finally, when entering data in each row, you cannot enter special characters like quotation marks and EM dashes. Entering special characters will cause an error, so please do not use them. And then next, we're going to go to the Web ERP screen and go over things to note when using ECOUNT Web Uploader. In each Setup List menu, if you click on ECOUNT Web Uploader button at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the question marks at each field's right side. If you hover over them, you will see directions for data entry, just like the memo boxes in the Excel add-in screen. Also, in addition to these precautions, please take note of a few more things. Firstly, after working on data in the Excel template, when you copy and paste data, make sure to exclude the first row. Only copy the data that'll be actually uploaded. Go back to the ECOUNT Web Uploader screen, click on the first blank cell, and press Ctrl+V key to paste the copied data. In this way, your data will be successfully uploaded. Also, keep in mind that up to 300 lines of data can be uploaded per upload. If your data exceed 300 lines, divide them in unit of 300 lines and then separately upload them. If you upload data with these things in mind, your upload will be successful without any error. And if errors still occur, please use Support button at the top of the ERP screen. You can find Online Screencast Inquiry button. You can attach the corresponding Excel file or a video recording the error, and we will look over what caused the error and let you know which action to take. So feel free to give us any question. Thank you.